Who the fuck are you? I swear to God, tell me who you are. Whoa, 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 put that fucking axe down. I'm still cold, motherfucker. Whoa, buddy, alright, put the axe down. I swear to God, put the gun down. Stop! Wait, hey. You put the gun down, alright? You put the axe down, alright? Before you chomp somebody. Fine. Wanna smoke? Yeah, these ones. 1, 2. I don't know. I'll buy both of them. Hey, sir. I got some cigarettes for you.
Oh my God, motherfucking Newports, nigga. Newports. I'ma be the richest nigga in the hood.
What are we doing in a desert? Drugs. Hey, do you think that guy is gonna stop drinking?